Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable device broadcast status on Spotify. So let's get started. Firstly, open Spotify app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on playback. Next you can see the option of device broadcast status. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable device broadcast status on Spotify. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.